Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Move tool and selection context are correct. Open Roblox Studio, select the object, and enable the Move tool now. This avoids later confusion. Once done, make sure selection mode is set to object when moving whole parts, not vertex or edge mode, because those change what the tool manipulates. Also check if the part is anchored. If anchored, the Move tool won't reposition it. Unanchor to allow movement. These quick checks prevent wasted time later. Next, address transform conflicts. Constraints, welds, and hidden plugins often block movement. You should temporarily disable constraints and welds on the object. These preserve relative positions and will stop move from working. Then inspect properties. Reset position or see frame if values are corrupted, because a bad transform can snap objects unexpectedly. Also make sure you've turned off transform affecting plugins while testing, since they can intercept the Move tool. Finally, perform the move and restore any constraints you need for behavior. Move the object, then re-enable welds or constraints and verify in play mode so physics and scripts behave as expected. If moving still fails, save, restart Studio and clear cache, or reset the layout because transient UI or cache bugs can block tools. If problems persist, duplicate the part and experiment on the copy. This isolates risk and helps diagnose whether the issue is project-wide or tied to a specific instance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.